How to fix Instagram I'm not a robot problem easily and fast. Hello guys, first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds right here and scroll until you find the Instagram app and then click on it like this. After you click on it, it will take you into this page. Now all what you want to do here is very simple. First thing, open the permissions page right here and then enable all the permissions right here. Make sure that everything is enabled, and after that you have to do one thing, which is go back, click on the storage option right here. As you can see, this is the internal storage. Click on clear data and clear cache, and now you have to restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved, then you have to remove Instagram from your phone and install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.